That's 2 times. First of all, I have defended you by all the troops. Even though you cover your face, I'll release you because you're a fool. Here you live in my home, I make you my home, as my friend, Tall. Huh? Anything you say, Tall, I do not know what the fuck you did. My son shouted in height, Daddy, Daddy, Daddy. I said, Son, what? Huh? Tito Badang, I do not know, standing just holding my hand. Gago ka ba, damas now, what's your name? Putang ina mo, lumayas ka, tangina mo, motherfucker. Tall, I just held her hand. Are you okay? Why do you enter my child's bedroom and hold your hand to the mark? I have a case for you to complain about me. I protested to everyone for what you did. Second time, Toll. First of all, my niece. Huh? First of all, my son is a good kid with a daughter. Gago. Why do you get in touch and hold hands, stupid? You're mad at me, badge is not mine, Gaga. You have a little girl yet. I'm going to let you shoot me here. Stupid motherfucker will say goodbye. In front of people here. What did they do last February? When I was lying down, I killed the light. You drink it in the mouth. Came to drink at the mouth. Yes, okay then. I do not want to hear that sound anymore. Then I slept in all the lights I slept in. And when I was awake, she was holding it here. Where are you? You're good to me. You're afraid, I told you. Are you afraid of whom? Ugh, do not worry about that. You do not know that. All of these are going to social media, you're stupid, fucking horny guy, that you do not owe me a favor. I left you at home to eat. I defended you for everything you did wrong. My son just beat me, you beat me hard. You are one stupid idiot. And now I will not let you go to the police. Now I'm bringing you the police, you stupid idiot. I'm so famous that you know I'm going to ruin your popularity too much.